Dealing with a difficult customer is definitely, it takes a toll on your psyche. You want to put yourself in their shoes. You want to understand what they're going through, but when you're being berated or being put down, it's really hard to remain professional at times. It's constant pressure, absolutely, for the agent. It's meet these metrics, do it in a timely manner. There's a lot of pressure for the agents, and I don't wish it upon anyone, really. But if you create a fun and good work environment, they'll be able to thrive in that environment. When I first heard about Tenacity, yes, I was skeptical because it's never been done before in a call center environment. Tenacity made a huge difference in my call center, absolutely did. Like I said, I've never seen so many people start talking to each other, putting the phone aside for once and just looking at people in the eye and start talking. I saw people walking around with smiles, even though it's a really high stressful job. I mean, it was a new age, new direction, and it was really perfect timing. Tenacity really strengthened our company culture. We invest in our future, we care about their well-being and all that, and when Tenacity came in, everyone really believed it, and it was great. Stress went down, absenteeism went down, attrition went down. It was really perfect timing. It strengthened the whole culture of the call center. It really did. And I could really see the whole family environment just getting bigger. The community was, the call center community was getting stronger, and people were talking to each other. And that was probably the proudest moment as the site director, is when you guys came in and strengthened all that and built it. I can see why some companies don't want to incorporate any new technology into what they already have because of the anxiety, but honestly, I did not do much. I reviewed the analytics that Tenacity provided for me and seen the results immediately. It didn't take much on my part at all. I think Tenacity, the program really ran itself. You have a great team who came in, explained everything on what was going to happen, how we need to implement it. I sure would encourage all the call center directors to give it a try, absolutely. It's new, it's fresh, and it's great, it really is.